In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Wix website. This can be a fantastic way to enhance your site's visual appeal and engage your visitors with the latest photos and updates from your Instagram profile. So let's dive into the process. To start, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the Wix editor. You'll see a plus sign there, which allows you to add various elements to your site. Click on that plus sign and a menu will appear, giving you a list of options to choose from. Now, what you want to do next is to head to the search bar on this menu. Type in Instagram, and you'll see Instagram feed popping up as an option. Go ahead and select it, then click Add to Site. This action will insert the Instagram feed directly onto your web page, but don't worry if the initial placement or size isn't quite right. It can easily be adjusted. After adding the feed, take a moment to resize it to your liking. How do you want it to appear on your page? You have complete flexibility here. For more options, click on Stretch at the top. This tool allows you to adjust the size dynamically. If the full width appearance isn't working for your design, simply uncheck the option for Stretch to full width. It's all about what works best for the look and feel of your site. Once you have the feed positioned perfectly, select Account Settings. This is where you'll link your Instagram account to your website. Click on the Connect button and a pop-up will appear asking for your Instagram login credentials. This part is super straightforward. All you need to do is log in using your Instagram username and password. As soon as the connection is successful, your Instagram feed will update automatically, displaying your recent posts right on your Wix site. And there you have it. That's how you effortlessly add an Instagram feed to your Wix website. Not only does this provide a fresh and ever-changing element to your site, but it also invites your visitors to engage with you on social media, creating a more dynamic interaction. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your digital presence. See you in the next video.